Welcome to Raise Your Visibility Online. Join Louise Brogan, a LinkedIn expert, CEO, and dynamic mum-turned-YouTuber as she dives into the world of B2B companies and entrepreneurial success. Each episode brings conversations with business owners and industry experts who leverage LinkedIn and video to attract leads and scale their ventures. Get ready for actionable insights, real-world strategies, and inspiring stories that will elevate your online presence and help you grow your business.
Before we get into this week's news you can use, and if you are, I like that phrase. I'm not sure what you guys think of it. Let me know. Send me a message on LinkedIn. And if we're not connected on LinkedIn, then please come and connect with me and let me know if you are a podcast listener. But before we get into the news you can use, I want to just check in with you on your LinkedIn personal profile. I created a £47 workshop. It is everything you need to know to get the LinkedIn profile that you deserve. So it will help you get found by more people. It will help people, when they find you, figure out what it is that you do, who you work with, what you do to help people, and it will increase the number of people who will reach out to connect with you. And eventually that leads to more opportunities, leads and sales down the road. So just go over to louisebrogan.com/profile workshop and get your profile up to scratch so that whenever you're active on LinkedIn, your profile is doing the heavy lifting so that you're getting more leads and sales in your business. All right, guys, on with the show.
So LinkedIn ads have just got easier with Canva. So LinkedIn ads and Canva have connected up. What kind of ads can you do on Canva? So you can have video ad, single image ad, business, hiring, marketing, professional, and creative LinkedIn video ads. They've got all the different templates for us. And if you wanted to click into one of those and have a look at it, they have got some nice templates here. So down the left-hand side, you pick a template and maybe do a video one, and you would then change it to fit your business. This is really interesting, this connection between Canva and LinkedIn ads. There are lots of other apps as well on Canva that you might want to check out. So Creator, Dropbox, Meta. Have a look at the different apps that you have. I use Canva a lot for creating images for our content. This is an interesting addition from LinkedIn ads. So why are Canva getting into LinkedIn ads? It's to remove the friction for a lot of small businesses don't really know how to create LinkedIn ads, and now we have templates to do it. According to LinkedIn, 80% of B2B leads come through LinkedIn, and this is removing a barrier for companies and businesses that have never run ads before. So an easy way to create it with this LinkedIn ad account. So will you be using it? I want to hear from you down below if this is something you will be testing out. Before you start spending money on LinkedIn ads, though, I do want you to check out our LinkedIn personal profile workshop, because when you are spending time on LinkedIn, driving business, starting conversations, make sure you have got a really strong LinkedIn personal profile. And we have a very low ticket offer to walk you through that. The link will be down below. Right, this next update I'm really excited about, and that is all to do with being found on search. And we are going to the OG search engine, which is, of course, Google. So when you type something into Google search, so let's say, for example, we type in LinkedIn personal profile, which we've just talked about, we hit return. So you have all of these search results scrolling up here, but have you seen this? Now look, short videos. So we're going to click on the short video content and you will see, oh look, there is Louise Brogan. So there are video content coming from YouTube, but look, video content coming from LinkedIn, short videos showing up in Google search. So YouTube, people think that this is all to do with TikTok, but all of these results are coming from YouTube with a smattering of ones who are coming from. Now we're seeing in Instagram And right down here is where the first bit of TikTok we're seeing. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4. In the 6th row, we are seeing Instagram. And the 7th row, we are seeing TikTok. So will this make you reconsider doing short form video content now that it's showing up in its new tab on Google? The pro tip here is make sure you are sharing keywords in your LinkedIn videos and titles. This is a whole game changer, because before we were sharing video content on LinkedIn and really not thinking too much about what the title and the name of the video was, but that will all be changing now. So boosting your discoverability both on and off LinkedIn in the short form video feed. And the third story I want to talk to you, just in case you are not yet convinced about doing video on LinkedIn. LinkedIn are really doing a massive push to get us all on video. And I received this email from them on Wednesday. Congrats on your last video, keep it going. So they're encouraging me to do more video content on LinkedIn since people are watching. Nice work on your video. Consistency keeps your network engaged, and posting weekly can lead to up to 4 times more profile views. Have you posted this week? Share your own video. And then, interestingly, they're then promoting Adobe Express, easy to use video templates. So the other thing that came out this week was an article in Ad Exchanger magazine with a VP from LinkedIn who talked about their plans for video on LinkedIn. The VP of marketing for LinkedIn said they're not trying to be Netflix, but they do want to become a B2B streaming hub for video. LinkedIn Originals are short form, bingeable content, and the goal is to keep professionals on the platform. Of course, the more professionals on the platform, the more ad revenue they get, and the more recruiters use LinkedIn as a platform to attract the right clients. Video posts on LinkedIn get 3 times more engagement than other content. We are reimagining the feed to be more live, human, and multidimensional. Are you noticing this in your LinkedIn newsfeed? If you want to get started on video with LinkedIn, reach out and let's have a conversation so we can get you and your company up to speed creating video content for LinkedIn. Thanks for tuning in to the podcast this week. Please do hit subscribe and share the podcast with somebody who in your team maybe who will find this interesting or useful. And I look forward to speaking to you next week back here on Raise Your Visibility Online. That was fun.